Oh god, 1 minute.
Oh god, oh god, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new and haven't seen my face before, hey, I'm Michaela. Go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video. So today I'm here with my sister, and after a series of unfortunate events, we are finally filming our video that we were technically supposed to film at like 2 o'clock this afternoon, but there was a little bit of a misfunction. It is now 7 o'clock and we're finally filming a Get Ready With Me, or Get Ready With Us.
Yeah.
Rather. Are we going anywhere? No. But are we filming the video? Hell yeah, we are. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I will have it up here. Instagram is like my favorite app ever, and I love posting content on there for you guys. So go give me a follow on there, and also follow me on Twitter. I'm gonna have it over my sister's face. You guys know the drill. I post polls on there. I just say random things. Why are my friends texting me when I'm filming? Love y'all, but thank you next. Yeah, no, go follow me on Twitter, Instagram, all of the things. So I guess we're gonna just go ahead and get right on into our makeup. We have all of our makeup dumped out on the floor. We look like pack rats, but you know, that's what we're doing. So let's just go ahead and get right on into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's spray my face with some setting spray first. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. I don't know, they have too many sprays. I don't even know what they all do. I just like feeling like a fresh and funky female. I hated that, oh my god. Be Jeffree Star. Oh, that felt really refreshing. Oh my god, like refreshing. What do you do? It's the It Cosmetics CC cream in the shade, I think it's light. Sorry, fair. I'm the lightest shade. Just put it on here and I just go ahead and dab her on. While she's dealing with that, I'm gonna use my First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer.
That's a big ass one.
I got this for Christmas in a gift set and I literally am in love with it. So I'm just gonna apply this onto my face. Oh my god, this smells so good.
This is actually a fun video.
Oh, this feels so nice on my face. Like, come through with that smooth skin. Face is primed and poreless. Going in with my concealer, I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Sealer Concealer in the shade Fairlight.
So I used to have the Born This Way. Okay, fuck off. I used to have the Born This Way one, but I used it all, so it's all gone.
So now I'm gonna just apply this on my eyelids to prime for my eyeshadow.
We're done with that. Done with foundation, or is it?
It's a CC cream.
Yeah, same thing. Okay.
Alright, using my Laura Mercier powder.
I have that, so.
She's using the same concealer I just used.
Yeah.
My powder, I don't know if it's like almost gone or like it just never wants to come out. And I'm like, hello, I know you're in there, wake up. I'm just gonna pat this on my eyelids. I literally have the stupidest like applying makeup face ever. I'm always like, now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill. This is the Bling Boss palette. What am I gonna use? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go in with this. It's the color Hush Hush, and apply it just like as a transition shade to get that crease look.
Getting all technical transition shade.
Oh yeah, I'm getting all technical because you know I'm a makeup artist.
Yeah. I'm onto powder. I have the Laura Mercier powder, and yeah, loose setting powder.
I'm no fancy makeup artist, so I just literally use like the same brush for every eyeshadow. Roast me in the comments. Yeah. If you're a makeup artist, I could care less. I'm gonna take the shade Rockstar and apply it on like my outer V.
I do brows next after powder. Brows are my favorite part of makeup. Is that?
Yeah, that's a sentence.
That's my favorite part. Brows. I love my brows. So I use Anastasia Dip Brow and medium brown. Whatever.
Punched in the eye. I love how I said I was putting this on the outer V and I put it like all over my eye. But makeup is an art. Just do whatever with it.
Unleash your inner artist.
Unleash your inner artist, sister. I love adding sparkles, so should I go for a light sparkly color? Or like a darker one? Not that one though. Like one of these ones.
Oh, dark.
Pizzazz or ballsy?
What names?
Feeling pretty ballsy.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna use ballsy. And when I apply the glitter shade, I just take it on my finger and then I'm just going to apply it on my lid. So beautiful.
Is that good? Well, good enough.
Now that I'm done my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go on to foundation. I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics CC cream and I'm gonna just apply it on my beauty sponge.
Brows, I'm done brows. So, ooh, eyeshadow. I do not like doing eyeshadow. I'm terrible at it. So, here we go. This should be a fun ride.
This should be an adventure.
Yeah, literally. So I'm using the Morphe palette in 15 Day Slayer, if you really care that much. I got this from actually her, like 2 years ago, I want to say. But I'm gonna use this Forever one because I feel like it, you know?
I will do my concealer and the powder, and then I will get into the questions that people did have. Oh yeah, so I just used my Tarte concealer. I think I said that, I don't even know. Blending in the concealer. Powder.
Oh. So I'm using this Bronze Beauty up here. Hello. Yep.
Hello, yep, there she is.
And we're gonna slap it in with this other color.
I'm just gonna spray
Like,
some
I don't
more
care at
stuff on
all.
my face because I'm just obsessed with feeling refreshed and squeaky clean.
That smells like absolute ass.
Now I'm going to do my brows. My brows are actually kind of decent today because I plucked them not that long ago. Half the time they're like unplucked and look just atrocious.
Caterpillar-y?
Not like caterpillar-y, but more just like scattered and everywhere.
Okay.
So I actually switched up my brow products. I think I've mentioned this before. I'm using the Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 4.5. I'm just gonna take it. It looks like this. It is smaller than the Anastasia Dip Brow, but honestly, like I don't really care. I just wanted to branch out and try something new.
Been there for a while?
Since my birthday. I guess I will pull up some of the questions that people had for us. I screenshotted them because they're from Instagram. My sister's friend, actually, Kayla, said, "Do you miss me living on your street?"
Yeah, I really do.
I don't live here anymore. Like, I live with Dylan, but
Yes. It's really different.
if I still lived here, I miss it.
Her window was like, we could like see each other through our windows, so we'd like...
I'd be like, "Girl, I see you turning on the lights."
Yeah,
Or like
and then
something like
something
that.
like that.
Another question that we got is from my friend Courtney. I actually have not seen her in like literally so long. We used to dance together, but we both don't dance anymore. So she said, "Best memory with me, haha." We used to have so many good dance memories when we would room together for competitions. Basically any memory in a hotel room at night, because we would always have lots of laughs and it would just be literally hilarious. We would just like goof off and do like just like stupid stuff and it would just be so funny. Just like any dance memory, really. When we had our duets together, I think we had like, 3 or 4, yeah. I'll just go into the next 2 questions. They're from the same girl. I don't actually know her personally, but one of my friends knows her. Her name is Jill. She asked, "Who is your maid of honor and how does your sister feel about the engagement?" So my maid of honor is gonna be my sister when the wedding happens. Probably won't be for like a few years at least, but when it happens, maid of honor, my sister. And how do you feel about the engagement?
I'm happy for her. I'm really happy for her. I was really excited that she told me. I was like, whoa, like, congrats. Like, I wasn't like expecting it to be like this soon.
Neither was I.
So I was like, whoa, like...
It shocked me a bit too. It shocked me in like a good way.
I think it shocked like everyone in a good way.
But I was like, whoa, like... holy. And then another question. This is from Haley. She asked, "Where do you see each other in 5 years?"
I'll be 22.
Oh my god, and I'll
Lord.
be like 27 or 28.
I do want to become an ECE after I finish high school.
So you would have to go to school for that first.
Yeah.
But in
go to
5
school
years,
for
do you think you'll be working as something in a school or with kids?
Potentially.
Okay.
Potentially, yeah.
I think the question was like, where do I see you and where do you see me? Like, answer for each other.
Where do I see you into 5 years?
Okay, well, I guess I'll see you working in something with kids. I
honestly
don't know
have
if
no
I could
idea.
see you living away from home yet.
Oh yeah, I can't see this. No, I can't. Yeah.
I don't feel like she'll be someone who lives at home for like ever until she's like 30s. But like, I just see her living at home for a while. Not that she's like a mommy's girl or anything. She's just like a homebody, I feel. I'm gonna go ahead and do my bronzer. I use the Hoola by Benefit.
Take my Morphe M530. I'm gonna do blush from this Becca palette. I don't know where I see her. Like, honestly, I just worded that question, but I don't even know. You'll be 27 or 8?
I'll be like 27 or 28. Like, how many kids do you think I'll have? Like,
having another kid. Another kid by then, yeah, so that would be 2. I can't see a third one in that mix, like right now, like.
Do you think that I'll be living in a different like city, or do you think, what do you think?
Yeah, but I just don't know where.
What kind of job do you think I'll have? Because I won't be working at Tim Hortons until
Yeah.
I'm 28, that's for sure.
I don't even know what kind of job.
Let's see if any of these things come true. So bronzer is done. Let's do
you
some
need
blush.
bronzer?
I'm gonna use my NYX Ombre blush in Mauve Me or Mauve. No, it's Mauve. Looks like this.
Okay, and then, yeah, okay. Mascara. Do you have a mascara?
Yeah, I've got a few. Probably use that one.
Okay. Monsieur Big Lancome.
So I'm gonna go on to my mascara now. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with my Revlon curler. I'm going to use... I've switched from my L'Oreal mascara to the Maybelline Lash Sensational for a bit. This is another one of my favorite drugstore mascaras. I guess when we're doing mascara, we can answer a question. The girl I went to high school with, Christina, she actually asked 2 questions. She asked, how did your sister take you being pregnant, and is she excited to be an aunt?
I'm really excited to be an aunt, yes.
I'm really excited. How did your sister take you? Like, what was your reaction, basically?
Well, I was excited. At first,
you didn't really believe it because I sent you the picture and you were like, no, you're not. Like, that can't be true.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
And I was like, no, like, it is. Another girl named Allie, she asked the same thing. Is she excited to be an aunt, and I think she meant to put, and does she have a nickname for the baby already? Bean.
Little Bean.
Kayla, again, my sister's friend, asked, do you feel more confident in this relationship than your past ones? I've only had one past relationship, and if you guys are subscribers to my channel or just watch my videos in general, you guys know who my past boyfriend was. And I do feel more confident in this relationship. I just feel more comfortable, and I can literally talk to Dylan about anything. If I think something is embarrassing, he won't think it's embarrassing.
Yeah.
Like, he won't make fun of me for anything. He supports me in whatever I do. He protects me and wants to keep me safe all the time. I just trust him a lot more because I know what he does. Past relationship, there was just no trust there. Definitely more confident in this relationship for sure. I'm gonna put my white eyeliner on first, I think, and then I'll do my bottom mascara.
I want to highlight. So I'm using my Morphe M51O brush. And I spray my brush with the Urban Decay All-Nighter spray just so it's like stays more.
So now I'm gonna do my bottom mascara. Bottom mascara done. I'm gonna spray my face. Then I'm gonna spray my same brush, Morphe M510. And I'm gonna use my Becca Opal highlight and highlight my cheeks. All I have to do is my lips, so I'm just gonna apply my Birds of Beans lip product to these crusty ass lips. And do this MAC lip liner in the shade Enoki. Yeah, whatever the frig that means. And then I'm gonna use my MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety. Blankety.
Blankety.
Blankety, yeah. And then I'm just gonna apply gloss over top. So I'll do my Marc Jacobs in the shade Sugar Sugar.
Ooh, sugar, sugar.
Oh, honey, honey.
So I'm somewhat of a girl now.
So,
Kind of.
this is our completed Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. This is our finished makeup looks. Ooh, so glamorous. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. They're gonna be on the screen and in the description box down below, so go follow me. Let's be friends. I will put my sister's Instagram right here. Ding! You guys can go follow her on Instagram because she does post a lot more on there now. She's like obsessed.
I do.
Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost close to 2,000 subscribers, which is like absolutely insane. So go subscribe if you haven't already. And I think that is all I have to say. So I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye. Love y'all!
Let's go.